Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a heavy metal song in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you'll be greeted by all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started. There are two ways that we can go with this guys. The first way is to go ahead and find something already pre-made in GarageBand and then edit it based on our effects such as adding mastering and so on. So we're going to go ahead and right here in the upper left corner click on the live loops where we can find all the options we can access such as rock guys. As you can see right here we have beat masher and so on. But what we want to open up is the sound library option right here. In the sound library we can find a lot of packs that are going to enable us to find what we are looking for. As you can see here we're going to have a lot of packs like rock drummers that we can go ahead and use for getting our desired effect. We have the tone collection and so on, a lot of options that you can use for getting your desired effect. After opening up those packs you can get started with editing them by adding your own effects, sound effects and so on. But if you want to go ahead and create it from scratch guys, what we're going to do is click on the tracks right here, go back to the main page, and now we can get started with finding all the instruments we want to play. You want to record every instrument yourself. You can either record yourself using audio recorder to go ahead and play yourself directly into your microphone and record that, or you can find the virtual instruments right here such as the bass. We have the guitar. If you want to play the electric guitar you're going to click the more sounds option right here on guitar and tap on hard rock, and now you can get started playing your desired sound effects. This is going to open up the recording menu where at the top of the screen you have the big red circle to start recording. So go ahead and record your tracks, and in the upper left corner you can click on edit mode to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we can access and get started with adding your effects and so on, combining the tracks to get your desired heavy metal song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.